Hi, good evening. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM in Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Generation 4. So those whoever wanted to upgrade the RAM, for them this will be very useful. Don't skip the video, watch it completely so that you can upgrade the RAM easily. Okay, let's just start the video. This is the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Generation 4 laptop, which has got 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 16 GB of RAM. But we want it to be, we want that RAM to be like 32, and the customer want only 32 GB with 512 SSD. It has got 512 SSD. Now we are going to upgrade the RAM to 32. Look at this here, it is 16 GB. Now we are going to upgrade it to 32 GB. Stay tuned, watch completely so that you don't make any mistakes while upgrading, because since these are the new machines, you should not make any mistakes. It might get damaged. So don't skip, watch it till the end. You will have a clear idea so that it will be good. Okay, let's get started. So here it is. Now before you start opening the machine, you better turn it off completely. This should be in off mode. This has to be shut down. Okay, now have some soft cushion kind of material below so that you will not have any scratches on it. For that you should have a screwdriver set, which is this quality one, because if you have a normal one, that might damage the screws. It should not get tampered to. Okay, now you need to have another prying tool kind of thing, which you will have to pry it out at the top, the bottom case. Now let's start. Here we have a good screwdriver set, and I might need a star. Yes, this would do. Yes. Now first unscrew all the screws. Won't come out, don't worry. Release it, unscrew it as much as you can. Better you have a magnetized screwdriver, and if it is not magnetized, you will have a magnetizer. This is the magnetizer. If you rub it here for some time, so now I'll show you that also. You will have to see. Here it is sticking, here it is. This one. In this part, this is magnetizer. You will have to rub it for some time. So see, look at this. Okay. That's how you have to magnetize it. There's no screw over here. And this also. You will have to unscrew. Once you are done with all the screws, all this, just insert it here and then keep prying it. You have to hold it like this. Very useful. Okay, these areas, keep doing this areas. That's all. You come out, but don't try to pull it from this side. The locks might get damaged. See these locks might get damaged. You should not pull it like this. You have to come from the top, like inches side. So look at this. This is the RAM slot. We already have an RAM 16 GB that is on board. Now we have a RAM, Lenovo brand new RAM, which is 16 GB. Now let's open this. Here it is. It is DDR5. Let me show you that. See, this is the RAM, DDR5 5600 is the frequency, 16 GB. So we will have to insert it here. Let's do it. This should go like this, and it should fit into this slot. To do this, you don't need a technician. Yourself you can do it. Now that's all. Once you're done, let's just power it on and see whether we are able to see 32 GB RAM or not. Press the power button. Keep pressing F1 so that it will take you to BIOS where you can find the RAM capacity. Sometimes RAM may not support. By the time you will have to wait and change another RAM, the one which supports. This is the supported RAM only that I have put. Let's wait for some time. The upgradation of RAM looks simple, but you have to be a little careful. But you better watch this video once and then do it, because you may not go wrong. Entering into BIOS. Yes, we could see 32 GB of RAM here. 32 GB RAM. That's all it is. Once you're done with this, you need to go to diagnose. You need to diagnose RAM. Press F10. Yes, I'm not doing it because I've already done so many. This works very well. That's why I'm not doing it. Once you're done with this, just again shut down the machine, press and hold the power button for some time till it go to off mode, and remove the charger. Some people may even remove the battery and then do it, but it's not necessary. Now, see, this is the locks. This should go into this. While closing it, you must this here. This should lock here like this. It should go like this. Okay? It should keep it like this. This side is okay. Okay, keep pressing all the areas. Press and then tight all the screws. Once you're done with this tightening the screws, to cross check again with that. Place where it is yet to close. Very simple task. Even a normal person without technical idea can do it. It was not closed properly. Now I have closed it. That's that. Now it's done. That's all it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe my channel to get all the videos those I make. In future, I may make some important and useful videos. It doesn't mean that this is not useful. This is also very useful. Certain people, those who use this one. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do share and subscribe.